Welcome, dear students, to my YouTube channel called Lubigisa Wanane, the channel which gives you room to view and listen to various solving of different questions from Form 1 to Form 6. Today I have brought you a question here which states, for each of the following words, underline the suffixes. For each of the following words, underline the suffixes. This question aims at measuring or testing a student to know the suffixes. What are the suffixes? The suffixes are the wordy particles. They are not words. Are the wordy particles which are put or placed at the end of the word. They are wordy particles which are put at the end of a word or words. Let us now identify these suffixes to the given words. The first word here is genocide. The word genocide, the suffix, that wordy particle which is at the end is the word side, this side. Because this side is a particle and it can be seen in different words. You can find appearing in different words. For instance, the pesticide, insecticide, genocide, and many other words. Suicide, this word appears to different words. So this is the suffix. The word is cigarette. The word is cigarette. The suffix here, from the word cigar, this word comes from the word cigar. Cigar. So the particle, the word particle here, or the suffix is this one, et. Therefore, this one is the suffix. Therefore, if it is to underline, you underline here. This is the word particle from the word cigar. Then this was et, cigarette. Now this is the suffix. But the word bakery comes from the word bake, to prepare breads. The process of preparing breads, to bake. Now the suffix is this one. If you take this word, you will get a bake, a reaction of baking. Now this is a suffix, that is the wordy particle which is seen to this word. Another word is dusty, dusty, dusty. If you take this word, you will get another word here, dusty. You know that dusty. But the particle which remains here is y. Therefore, this is a meaningful one. Even if you remove this one, it remains this word which is very meaningful. And if you remove this one, then it makes it to be a suffix. This is a suffix. Now here a suffix you have to underline here. Only y, and this y makes this word to be an adjective. It forms adjectives. Another word is childish, childish. From the word child, you have to understand first that this word comes from a word child. Child. Here, from here to here, this child, then it remains this ish. Now, ish is the suffix to this word. Childish, childish, boyish, gayish, and so on. There is a word teachers, teachers. This word comes from the word teach, teach. Then from the word teach, you will get, there are two suffixes here. There is er and there is s. This suffix marks, or it shows a person who is doing an action, but this one shows the plural. Therefore, there are two suffixes to this word. Another word is slowly, slowly. You know, this word comes from the word slow, slow. Then another particle or the suffix has been added to form adverb, an adverb. Therefore, the ly is the suffix, which shows or makes this word to be an adverb. It is the suffix which forms adverbs. Another word is employee, employee. The original word here is employ, employ. That is the original word employ. So we have to see or to identify which particle is here. Here automatically it is E, double E. This is E. This is the suffix. This is the suffix. And this is the root word. And another word, the last one is played. Played comes from the word play. Play, if you get a play, it remains this ed. Ed is the suffix. Therefore, if it is a suffix, it plays a role, or it shows tense, and automatically it is past tense. It is my belief that you have understood me from the point I have started to the end of this demonstration. Now, I welcome you so much, and when you view this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Place that word, the lady word, written subscribe, so that you can be the first person to get the information on which question has been posted. Or if in case you have got a question, an inquiry, you have to find me through the following phone numbers: 0753 0758 21 53 86. Thank you.